Now let's dive deep into the exact steps to achieve astral travel. While it may seem mysterious, astral projection is a practice that anyone can learn with dedication and practice. Here are the key steps to guide you on your journey into the astral realms. Find a quiet and comfortable space where you won't be disturbed. Create a relaxing atmosphere by dimming the lights, playing soothing music, or using essential oils. Lie down in a comfortable position, preferably on your back, with your arms at your sides and legs uncrossed. Begin by relaxing your body from head to toe. Close your eyes and take several deep breaths, allowing yourself to release any tension or stress with each exhale. Visualize a wave of relaxation washing over you, melting away any physical or mental tension. As you continue to relax, you may begin to enter a hypnagogic state, a state of consciousness between wakefulness and sleep. Allow yourself to drift into this altered state, remaining aware and focused on your intention to astral project. Once you feel deeply relaxed, begin to visualize yourself floating above your physical body. Imagine a silver cord connecting your astral body to your physical body, ensuring that you remain connected and safe throughout the experience. Set a clear intention to astral project, affirming your readiness to explore the astral realms and receive guidance and insights. Repeat positive affirmations such as, "I am ready to astral project," or "I am safe and protected during my astral journey." Focus on raising your vibrational energy by visualizing yourself surrounded by white or golden light. You can also use techniques such as energy circulation, where you imagine energy flowing up from the earth through your body and out through the crown of your head. Now let's move on to another technique called chakra balancing. This involves visualizing each of your 7 chakras, or energy centers, as spinning wheels of light. Starting from the base of your spine, imagine a vibrant red wheel of light spinning and radiating energy. As you move up to your sacral chakra, visualize a bright orange wheel of light. Next, focus on your solar plexus chakra, envisioning a yellow wheel of light. Continue this process with your heart chakra, picturing a green wheel of light. Then move up to your throat chakra, visualizing a blue wheel of light. Next, focus on your third eye chakra, imagining an indigo wheel of light. Finally, bring your attention to your crown chakra, picturing a violet wheel of light. Take a moment to visualize all 7 chakras aligned and balanced, each spinning with vibrant energy. Feel the harmonious flow of energy throughout your entire being. Remember, the key to raising your vibrational energy is consistency and practice. Make these techniques a part of your daily routine and watch as your energy and overall well-being improve. Keep visualizing, keep practicing, and keep raising your vibrational energy. Visualization is key during the exit technique. As you lie in a state of deep relaxation, visualize yourself gently floating upwards or rolling out of your physical body. You may imagine a sensation of weightlessness or a feeling of detachment as your astral body begins to separate from your physical form. It's important to remain calm and relaxed during this stage, as any tension or apprehension can hinder the process. Trust in your ability to astral project and allow yourself to surrender to the experience. As you continue to visualize and affirm your intention, you may begin to feel a subtle shift in your perception. You might sense a tingling sensation, hear buzzing noises, or see flashes of light behind your closed eyelids. These are all signs that your consciousness is shifting into the astral plane. Once you have successfully projected your astral body, take some time to explore the astral realms. You can travel to distant locations, interact with other beings, or simply observe the environment around you. Trust your intuition and allow yourself to be guided by your inner wisdom. When you are ready to return to your physical body, simply intend to do so. Visualize yourself gently descending back into your body, feeling the sensation of reconnection as you merge back into your physical form. Take a few moments to ground yourself and integrate your astral experience before slowly opening your eyes. Remember, astral projection takes practice and patience, so be gentle with yourself and trust in the process. With dedication and perseverance, you can unlock the mysteries of the astral realms and embark on incredible journeys of self-discovery and spiritual growth.